We have already seen the impact of period on the trigonometric curve. We have seen the curve of y equal to sin x and we have seen the curve of y equal to sin 2x. Now, if you are said that y equal to 3 sin 2x, what will be the change here? You know that these two has an impact on period. Due to these two, the period became 360 degree divided by 2, that means 180 degree. So here, due to the presence of these two will make the period 360 degree by 2, that means 180 degree. And what is the influence of 3 here? These 3 defines the amplitude. The amplitude will become 3. So for y equal to 3 sin 2x, the amplitude is 3 and the period is 360 degree divided by 2, that means 180 degree. So what will be the difference of this curve and this curve? Both of them have a period of 180 degree, but their amplitude is different. Its amplitude is 1 and its amplitude is 3. So it will look like this. Up to this moment, we have learned the impact of period and the impact of amplitude on trigonometric graphs. Now we will learn a new term here, the term neutral line. For example, you are given a equation y equal to 3 sin 2x plus 1. With this equation, I just added a 1. What will be the impact of 1 here? The impact of 1 will be this curve will rise 1 unit upward. How? We know that this 3 is the amplitude. These 2 influences the period 360 by 2 equal to 180. And what is the impact of this? This thing represents the neutral line. Neutral line is y equal to 1. This line y equal to 1 is the neutral line. That means now this line will act as axis. Now we will draw this curve with respect to this line. That means maximum point will be 4 and the minimum point will be -2. In your exam, you will frequently see this type of questions. Draw the line of y equal to 3 sin 2x plus 1 or something like this, and you will need to draw the graph writing these 3 informations: what is the neutral line, what is the amplitude, what is the period. And from these 3 information you can get 2 more informations: maximum and minimum. The maximum will be neutral line plus amplitude, that means 4, and the minimum will be neutral line minus amplitude, that is -2. And in the graph you can see here that the maximum is 4 and the minimum is -2.